Hey everyone, my name is Anna, and I'm beyond ecstatic to share how Audifort has completely transformed my life. It's like turning up the volume on every moment that matters. If you're fed up with tinnitus stealing your peace or muffled sounds holding you back, Audifort is your ticket to crystal clear hearing. Stick with me for the life-changing details. You need this. Only grab Audifort from the official site, links in the description for an exclusive 70% off deal, no hassle. Skip shady sites like Amazon or eBay pushing fake Audifort knockoffs. Don't gamble with your hearing. Picture this: relentless ringing or muffled conversations robbing you of joy. Over 50 million Americans battle tinnitus, often from inflammation or poor ear circulation. Audifort is a revolutionary natural hearing support supplement that fights back with a potent blend of over 20 plant-based ingredients like grapeseed extract, green tea, maca root, and GABA. This powerhouse slashes inflammation, supercharges ear blood flow, and repairs nerve health, silencing tinnitus and amplifying clarity. I call it the sound spark, like flipping a switch to hear laughter, music, and loved ones vividly again. Its cutting-edge liquid drop formula absorbs in seconds for rapid results, making Audifort the ultimate choice for natural relief. Let's be real. Audifort isn't a magic wand, but it's a total game changer. I added 2 drops to my tea daily, and in just 10 days, the ringing faded, and I was hearing every word clearly. It's a lifesaver for anyone done with missing life sounds. Each Audifort bottle gives a 30-day supply. Mix in a drink or take directly. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, and made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility. With a 90-day money-back guarantee, there's zero risk. Don't wait another day to reclaim your hearing. Click the link and grab your Audifort now to hear life in full volume. Thanks for watching.